Hi all, I am here to introduce a novel, The Devil and Miss Prime, written by the international best-selling author Paulo Coelho. The story is about a man who set upon a journey to discover the true face of humankind. Whiskers is a very small village located in France. It has only 281 inhabitants. In the past, the place was crawling with thieves, prostitutes, and criminals. Now Whiskers is just a peaceful village where nothing much happens. Chandal Prime is a young woman. She is the bartender of the village. She wants to move away from the village and she is just laying in wait for the first chance to do so. Bertha is a very old woman and she has some special power. She is still talking to her dead husband. She can see the devil, she can read emotions, and she can read the sign of trouble in storms. Bertha sits still outside her house and observes the village. One day, a stranger enters the quiet village, and Bertha knows that he is trouble because she can see the devil traveling alongside this man. He meets Chandal and starts talking to her. He tells her that he is looking for some answers to his questions and that he will test the people in the village in order to find his answer. He tells Chandal that his entire family was murdered by some bad people and that he needs to find out if people are in essence of good or bad. He carries a lot gold in his backpack and he is willing to offer the gold to the village if they are willing to kill one of their own people in the village. Chandal must carry the message to the people, and she is very sure that the people will refuse to kill someone for the gold because the people of the village are decent, nice creatures, not some brutes who will kill for money. The stranger tells Chandal that he buried the gold in the woods. Chandal tells the people about the gold, and after much debate, they decided to kill Bertha and take the gold so they can transform the village into a new and important place. They are telling themselves that without the gold, all the young people will leave the place and in the end, it will cease to exist. Bertha is the oldest person in the village, so they decided to shoot her because she is useless. They use some sedatives and drag Bertha into the woods so they can shoot her. Chandal intervenes and tells them that taking the gold and shooting Bertha will prove that the people are in essence just some evil-based greedy creatures with no morals. She tells them about the stranger's plan and they decided to go home and refuse the gold. Chandal is tempted to steal some gold so that she can leave the village and start a new life. But the stranger and some strange circumstances are stopping her. In the end, the stranger must admit that the people are neither good nor evil, the people are just people. Not as great as The Alchemist, a bit naive plot with religious overtones, it is a sentimental novel that tries to explore